Being lazy, something frowned upon in our society that values those who keep busy and are constantly productive. Those who are considered lazy are heavily reprimanded. For example, those who stay in bed or like to sleep in late, those who procrastinate, and those who do not complete their responsibilities, the unorganized people, the ones who never start or finish tasks. This is what makes up a lazy person. But this is also what people with ADHD and depression constantly struggle with. See, in our society, we often tend to dismiss those with mental disorders as just lazy. The Blurt Foundation, a social enterprise who focuses on spreading awareness on depression and helping those affected by it, has reported that even those with depression use the term lazy to beat themselves up. They also explain that people struggling with depression tend to feel guilt for not doing more, which affects their self-worth. Although someone with depression may want to be productive and busy, they find it hard to find that motivation and energy. This is also a struggle with people with ADHD. ADHD does not simply cause impulsivity or hyperactivity, but also affects certain executive functions. ADHD is a condition that makes it hard to concentrate, use working memory, organize and manage things. These are all issues with executive function that is really valued and important in society since it's one that helps us keep us busy and productive. So, if someone with ADHD is doing something they can't help and they're constantly receiving negative feedback for things like not paying attention, not starting tasks, being disorganized, it can negatively affect their self-esteem and motivation. Now, since this busyness as status culture isn't just gonna go away, here are some solutions to help those who are being harmed by this way of thinking. Something that actually really helps out is spreading awareness, being able to inform people and educate them on this topic, kind of like this blog. A supportive and understanding environment can really help out someone who is struggling with a mental disorder. Careless words can really hurt their self-esteem and worsen any possible guilt that they may already have. It just piles onto their struggles. Therapy is also a solution. The American Psychological Association has concluded that psychotherapy is effective and has helped many patients. Some insurances may or may not cover therapy. Luckily, many colleges and jobs have begun to offer free mental health services. So if therapy is something that you're interested in doing and are going to college, see if that is something they offer. You can also check out the National Alliance on Mental Illness at nami.org. They answer questions like how to find low-cost treatments and free support groups in your area. I'll link the website down in the description along with a couple places in the South Bay area that you can reach out to if anyone watching wants to get help or knows someone who does. And hey, if you're really going through it, just try being a little more patient and kind to yourself. You're totally valid. Keep doing your best and you got this.